Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Vegas Pro version and build. That determines which fixes apply. Next, update your graphics drivers and restart the computer so the driver state is clean. Once done, open Vegas and go to Options Preferences video. If the preview is black, temporarily switch GPU acceleration off and select a safe renderer. You do this because driver or renderer conflicts are the most common causes of a black preview. Now inspect the timeline. Disable third-party plugins on suspect tracks and remove complex render templates because incompatible effects often break preview. You should also verify media codecs. Transcode any unusual files to a standard format like ProRes or MP4H. 264 and relink them. Make a new blank project and import one clip, then apply only Vegas built-in FX to test. This isolates whether the issue is project-specific, a bad clip, or a plugin conflict. Finish by checking the preview device and resolution in the video preview window, switch between automatic and a specific GPU-backed device, and try lower preview quality. If the problem persists, reset Vegas preferences to default. Hold Ctrl+Shift while launching and confirm the reset, because corrupted prefs can hide settings. Make sure Windows display scaling and HDR are not interfering. If still black, the key troubleshooting tip. Test on another machine or user account to separate system level from app level issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.